Yeah, I picked these up from Dacardworld. They're only like 17 bucks shipped. And average like 3 jersey cards for 36 packs. So yeah, let's see what we get. Hoping you get a Beckham. David Beckham.
You should stay on the post. You should be there. That's your job. He comes off the post. Great passing header. A crucial away goal for
First jersey card. Kelly Dub.
Danny Welbeck has scored. And he hasn't got that many, guys. This season he's really struggled with full
Colombo, Guatemala Blanco. Pretty nice. Next materials card is Christian Gomez.
That left foot coming inside. But I'd be happy if they shoot from there. Conceded a goal, a poor goal as well. Set piece.
2 Beckhams.
So much
There's a base card Beckham. Then the MLS All-Stars Beckham.
I mean, good chances. There will be more goals in this.
MLS All-Stars of D-Row.
He knows they're going to come under pressure. He knows he has to get that back line squeezed up. Technical area while Alex Ferguson
Materials.
sits comfortably on the bench.
National Pride, Sebastian 2.
So yesterday the press conference Mourinho was very
Materials, Joe Canning.
the Spanish media, fans.
Space. National Pride. Bakary Simwar. Space. All-Stars, Matt Reese. Alright, sorry guys, we got cut off. Yeah, we're back. Just to recap what we got so far, I got 3 jersey cards, 3 inserts base, 4 David Beckham cards, a couple Galaxy inserts. So I've got 12 packs left, so yeah, let's open it up. Space. Pretty young bird. Another Beckham All-Stars insert. Got 2 now. Space. Ooh, another materials. Brian chain. So I've got 4. Alright. So let's do a recap.
Disappointing this season in the league.
Got a bunch of base cards, a few inserts. We actually got 4 material cards. There's an average of 3. Actually got 4. Got 2 David Beckham All Stars. 3 base Beckham base cards. 2 Super Draft Omar Gonzalez. And a bunch of inserts. So it's not bad. It was only like $17. Still like a lot available. So yeah, you guys should probably get some packs. Not a bad investment. These are the other cards I got today. Beckham material and Clint Dempsey. And also just got my flight through Orbitz to go flying to Manchester. I'm gonna go watch a couple games out there. One home game, Premier League versus Norwich. Should be good. And then I'm also gonna go watch the second leg of the Champions League versus Madrid at Old Trafford. Super excited for that. Can't wait. Yeah, and also I've got a couple more cards coming in next week. Really nice sick Donovan cards. But yeah, once I get them in, I'll make a video. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you.